Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do just click the subscribe button below. I do both food and travel related videos, so if you're interested in that, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today earlier we're going by the beach, and not just to lie down on a chair. Y'all, I miss that salt water, so we are headed to Las Cuevas. That's the beach that we like to go to. You know, we have our favorites. But yeah, we're going to Las Cuevas Beach, so I'm taking you guys with me. Y'all, it was a last minute decision because we wasn't so sure with the Sahara dust and the crowd and everything, but we're going to beach now. To get some bacon chack because I'm not sure if they started you know, doing foods at Las Cuevas, but here's where we usually get our bacon chack. He's at one of those booths there. I'm not sure which one he went to. We are not an Uncle Sam's fan, so we just get whichever one look good at the time. So yeah, we getting ourselves some bacon chack and then we headed to Las Cuevas. But y'all, did y'all see that dust? Did y'all see that Sahara dust by the look over there? Because y'all, I am surprised that my sinus and acappas yet, because whole time standing up outside there, I was supposed to be like this. But I don't know what is going on. Like my body like resisting because I want to enjoy myself so much at the beach that it's not acting up. But as I do that now, it's like I feel like tickling though. Like, what is this? But anyways, yeah, we waited on the bacon shack and then we headed back on the route to Las Vegas.
very cold outside.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Yeah. Oh, it's hot, boy. Anna, take your time. That was the end of my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your family and friends on Facebook, Instagram, or wherever you post. And see you in my next video. Bye. Video knockout.